Happy day to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I know it's been a roller coaster with respect to auditing, guys, with so many changes in the dates. And once I say even told the date is changed, but never gave us the date, we were all anxiously waiting as to whether they'll give it or not. So I know that there were multiple changes, but finally we are here at the 1.5 days for auditing. Just 1.5 days more. Imagine you wrote your costing exam and you came now, and now if you open your book, this is the time which is available actually for the auditing exam. Yes or no, guys? This is the time available, the last 1.5 days. And that is the reason why I thought I should make this video right now, because how are you feeling? Are you feeling normal? Are you okay? Are you stressed? Are you anxious? Are you worried about something? About what? About what are you actually worried about? You tell me in the comments. One thing from my side, I want to tell you guys. If you think you have used the 10 days effectively, good, very good. You did not use the 10 days effectively, then also it is good, because you cannot control whatever has happened in the past. If you cannot control what has happened in the past, it is good only. Right now, no point thinking or talking about it. Yes or no? Another thing, I keep listening, I keep getting these messages, students talking between themselves. Exam paper will be hard. So many days if they give me, this will be the hardest in history. Oh, no, paper will be moderate. Evaluation will be hard. All these talkings I am hearing. Paper hard, evaluation hard. It is in the future. You cannot control the future also. You cannot control the past. You cannot control the future. All that you have to do right now is, I will tell you what you have to do right now in the last 24 hours. This is all the time that you have right now. Just 24 hours in your hand. What should I do, ma'am? Please tell me. For those people specifically, I have done this video. The only thing that you have to do is revise. Revise, revise, and revise. This is not the time to study something new. No. If something new comes, keep it aside. Whatever you have studied already, make yourself better in that. Study that again. Do revisions of what you have already studied. Essay 300, I've given a video in just 10 minutes. Watch that 2 times. No issues. 20 minutes if you do. 10 marks comes to your pocket. Yes or no? Revision is the only thing that you have to do right now. For the revision only, I had actually given the expected question list. Usually the expected question marathon, I will put after the costing exam only. Yes, that night only we will sit for 7 hours and we will do the expected question marathon. This is the time. Because this marathon is to be used for revision purposes. That last 1.5 days, this will be a killer resource for you. No, ma'am, I want to revise the concept itself. Yes, exemption marathon is there. You can use. That's why I've only given 2 resources here for your revision purpose in your last 24 hours. Just take that resource. Do it, guys. Or if you say, no, ma'am, I have my own notes, no issues. Just do a revision of your own notes. Do not study anything new. That is also completely fine. Is that clear? Whether your notes or my resources, whatever it is. One thing is nothing new. If something is new, it's okay. Keep it aside. First revise. First finish what you already know. Do revision. Only then you will not forget the things. You will not forget anything. Simple logic, guys. Simple logic. You keep listening to the same song again and again and again. The lyrics automatically come out of your mouth. You don't think or anything. Same way for auditing also. It is like a song. It is like a beautiful song. You keep revising again and again and again. Automatically it will come out. Once you see the question, you know, okay, they've asked from this standard. Let me write the answer. You will start writing. Hand will start automatically writing. You just need to do revisions properly. That's it. Just do it. Not for me, not for your parents, not for your boyfriend, girlfriend, brother, sister. For yourself. Just have yourself in mind. Selfishly think. Do it for your future self one last time. One last exam. One last time. I want you to give nothing less than 100%. 100% give it for yourself in the last 24 hours, guys. All the very best.